I think when people come into this museum, this will really be a museum transformed. You won't be able to recognize it from what you saw before. We're very excited about the new main entrance gallery because the first thing you see when you come in is going to be our incredible Sphinx of Ramses II, which is the largest Sphinx in the Western Hemisphere. And so we're thrilled that that's going to be your entry experience to the museum. You'll also, behind the Sphinx, you will see a series of 10 very carefully selected objects that are representative of the 10 sections within the museum. So essentially, when we open this phase of the museum, the entire ground floor will be transformed. So as you come in and you see the new Sphinx gallery, to your right will be the wonderful galleries of the ancient Middle East, which we opened last year. As you turn left, you will be able to walk through the galleries of Mexico and Central America. Then after that, the galleries of Africa. And in fact, within a year, we will even have refurbished the cafe. So it really will be that entire section of the museum is new. The Harrison Auditorium is a remarkable building. It's the largest unsupported masonry dome in the United States. So it's a great treasure on campus. And we've fully restored it from top to bottom. And so you get this magnificent new performance space auditorium that we're going to use very extensively for our own programming, but also programming with Penn as well. The museum for the first time will be fully ADA accessible, and we're very pleased about that too. It's not only ADA accessible, but it's been designed very much with the visitor in mind. So it's a huge, open, airy, bright space, but it also includes new washrooms, new wayfinding, new elevators, new stairwell. So it will radically transform how you experience this museum. The overall mission of this museum is it has many different aspects. I mean, we're a teaching and research museum, but we've always been very committed to public engagement. And I think what this phase of the renovations does is it opens up the museum to our public visitors from across the city and across the world, really. And that's what's so exciting for us, is the public will come in and they will not only be able to see the cultures of the ancient world, but also see how they fit into it. And so this is very much a museum of who we are and how we got here.